last night as I lay dreaming of pleasant days gone by, my mind been bent on rambling, to Ireland did it fly. I stepped on board a vision, and I followed with a will, till next I came to anchor at the cross on Spancil Hill. 'Twas on the 23rd of June, the day before the fair, when Ireland's sons and daughters and friends assembled there. The young, the old, the brave and the bold came their duties to fulfill at the sacred stones in Clooney, a mile from Spancil Hill. So I went to see my neighbors, to hear what they might say. The old ones, they were dead and gone, and the young ones turning grey. But I met the tailor Quigley, he's as bold as ever still, and he used to make my breeches when I lived on Spancil Hill. I paid a flying visit to my first and only love. She's as white as any lily, she's as gentle as a dove. She threw her arms around me, saying, "Johnny, I love you still." Oh, she's Nell, the farmer's daughter, she's the pride of Spancil Hill. I dreamt I held and kissed her as in the days of yore. Oh, but Johnny, you're only dreaming, like so many's the time before. Then the cock he crew in the morning, he crew both loud and shrill. I awoke in California, many miles from Spancil Hill. I awoke in California, many miles from Spancil Hill.